My name is Omar, and I'm just giving you a lecture of the uh, how to create instance with the Apache server. So I just try to make it easier for the beginner who are new, because when I started, I just found very difficult. But right now, I'm just practicing so much and having 7 years experience in the networking field. So I just want to show you how to make a instance in the Amazon cloud computing and also the Apache server. And Apache server we will create in the Linux. So what are we going to do? We click here on to create launch a new instance. I just click here and I just see click here in the free tier only, and I can see there are a lot of flavors like Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS, Windows operating systems, a lot of Windows servers. I just don't want to explain everything. So everything is there, you can see. So just straight away, I'm just what I'm going to do it. I click on the Linux 2 AMI first one and click here and just click here on the general purpose, which shows to me as a free tier eligible because it's free. And just click on the next configuration instance detail. It shows to me a number of instances. You can just add three, four, so many, but I'm going to add one, not to confuse you. And then there are a lot of features here, like network, subnets, auto signs. We don't need to do right now here because we just create simple instance. And there are a lot of things in the IEM role as well. You can, because already I just made HR, but I don't want to tell you, I don't want to confuse you because there's only just make an instance. Now what I'm going to do, we go in the user data and I just type the script. This script work. This is hello world. This is my first web server. Okay, so I just type the script here, and this message it will show, and I'm going to show you after that step. Now, what I'm going to do, I click on the add store, and it shows to me the volume is root, and this is the device, and also this is snapshot. What's the size 8 gig? You can add as well, but we are not going to add. Simple as that. Next, next, and here this is a very important. We don't need to do anything in a security group name. Even you can make it a security group name, but I'm not going to do anything right now because we're just making a simple instance. What I'm going to do, add rule, because we just going to create Apache server with a Linux. So we have to select HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and where it just goes all the traffics, no restrictions now. So we just click here. I can see here storage. I just done it. In the previous, I just show you tags, instance, shows to me everything there. And this is everything. Now I'm going to launch, and I already created the key tutorial, and click on the acknowledge, and I'm going to launch. It takes time, and now just click on the view instance, and this is running right now. We have to wait for a while. Excuse me. So this is the initial step how to create your instance, and now I just it's just initializing. It takes time. When it's completed, I will just show you how we can access the Linux operating system in the Amazon cloud computing. Sorry, excuse me. So what I'm going to do is initializing. We have to wait for a while, and it takes a bit time because it's everything is processing in the cloud. So I just tell you one thing that Amazon just provide you, give you 1 year free access for the specific features. Not all the features are free, and if you just go for a storage and other things, then you have to pay for the network load balancer. You have to pay and other things, other features as well. So all not all the features are free, which but we are just doing right now. It's free of cost. You can also do it if you just make an account on Amazon. So I will show you as well in the next video how to create account, but this is only for the instance. So what I'm going to do, I just click on the connect and just click here and just connect here. And what I'm going to do it here, it just take me to what it shows is AWS Amazon.com Amazon that Linux. Okay, we are using a Linux operating system in Amazon Cloud. So what should I do? Type the command sudo su. Okay, because everything we're just going to do in the root. So sudo is just command in the Linux, just then we can do everything whatever we want. So the next command, what we're going to do it, yum update -y, and try to do it again. It works or not? No package. No. Then yum install httpd. The package is nothing to do. It's already installed. You don't need to do anything. So what do I do? System control and start HTTP. So Apache server has been installed already, and we just click this command here. So this is all the thing. What I'm going to do and just go back again and just copy this and just click here, and it shows to me this is my first web server. So it means that we have successfully installed the Apache server in the Amazon cloud, and we are using the services of instance. It's all is virtual. Just make sure, and this is the Linux command where we start, and here we install the Apache server. So this is all about the instance. It's very simple. Please just comment if you like the lecture. I hopefully you just learn. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend.